there is Splash Waterworld, located right between our hotel, the Costa Mujeres, and Dunamar. They're sister properties, and that's included with your resort stay. Splash Waterworld has several bigger slides for adults and kids. There's also a cool water park area just for the kids. Got some cool slides, a big shark there, and a palm tree shower, the big fish slide over here. Splash Waterworld is open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. I believe it said they were closed on Mondays for maintenance, and you have to be at least that tall, 120 centimeters, to go into this section of Splash Waterworld with the bigger slides. Otherwise, you go to the kids section. They have several water slides over here on the bigger part of it, and the bowl slide where it drops you down into the pool. These slides look like a lot of fun. A couple of tube slides and a big open red one there, and this 4-lane one here.
Look how deep this is.
It says the water here is just 1.3 meters, 4 feet, 2 3/4 inches deep. So it's not too deep. So that's a pretty cool thing to have included at your resort, just kind of a mini water park. Kids section has little tube slides on this side.
Oh, that fell.
A great area for kids. And the lounge chairs over here are under some shade. They have a little bit of a covering, so that's kind of nice if you just want to sit and watch your kids while they're playing. Or over there, you can take a break from the big slides too.
I like it that bucket fills up. Let's get ready to dump. Yay!
Donna's gonna check out the water temperature here. The water in the other pools over at the Riu Palace Costa Mujeres was warm. See what the kids' water was like.
It's freezing.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's not heated.
Okay. I think the bucket on this side's about to go. There it goes. That's always fun. This is a little bitty pool for small kids.
Okay, we're at the water park. Dan's gonna attempt to walk up the stairs and go over to this tube right here. And then it goes right here, goes all the way over here, and then lands in there. Okay, he's on it. There he is. And it was 7.5 feet deep. Okay, first interview. What'd you think of that one?
That was good.
Was it fun?
Yeah, it went down pretty fast. Went fast around the bowl, and it's into a deep pool there.
He called it the toilet bowl plunge.
So I just got flushed. So I'm going back up.
Okay, which one are you gonna do next?
These ones in the open here.
Okay, and he's gonna go up to the top of this, up here. And then he's gonna come down here and we're gonna see if he flies in the water. I've seen some guys like fly in the air on the water. We'll see what happens to Stan. Here's two guys, looks like they're racing. Gregorio! Okay, there's Stan at the top. I'm gonna zoom in. Woo! Let's see what he thinks about this one. You're supposed to swim to get out of the pool as soon as possible when you land, they say. I don't think the water is heated. Is the water heated?
It doesn't feel real bad, no.
Like, but is it heated with the sun?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah. And what did you think about that one?
That was fun. Go down pretty fast and kind of skim along the top of the water.
I know, I saw that.
I like that.
Now, which one are you going to do
The
now?
one right next to it.
The red and yellow, the McDonald's one, I like to call it. Okay. For the sake of the YouTube video, he's willing to do these super water slides for me because I'm a big chicken. There he is, waving from the top. Now he's going to get on it and he's going to come out right there. So what did you think?
It was a pretty good long tube and it was dark part of the way.
I want to see you do this red straight down one.
Well, that's the next one.
Okay, so he's gonna try to do this red one right here. Looks like it goes straight up there. There he is, he's waving. You see him come down the fire engine red one. Whoa, man. Man, that looked like it was straight down. down. Was it scary?
No, it's fun.
Okay, so that one was called what?
Stuka.
And now what do you want to try? The green and the white one?
Yeah, that looks like maybe the longest one.
So this is the one he's doing now. Where it comes out here at the far right. And it's got like the most curves in it. It's gonna get on right there. Okay, time to go down, Mr. Stan the Man. Oh, and just a drop. And his feet went straight up in the air. What'd you think of that?
It's good. That got going pretty fast, and it's kind of dark in there, and you were kind of going on the sides of the tube. And that one, I felt like I about went to the bottom almost.
Wow, really? Because I could see your feet.
Yeah.
Your feet were up in the air.
Probably landed wrong, but yeah, that was cool.
So what would you say?
I really
Is it
like
worth coming over here?
Oh yeah.
When you think kids would like it?
Yeah, a lot of fun.
Do you think dads would like it?
Yeah, grandpas do, so I figure dads would. I'm gonna take the camera up there and show you what it looks like from the top. So there's several stairs to climb. It's the only way to get up there. Here's the top. That was a good one. Stuka. It goes down a really steep incline. The toboggan. That was pretty fast and kind of a long ride. And here is the 4-lane aqua racer. That's cool. And here's the Torbellino that takes you down into the funnel. So there you have it. And it's located right between the Dunamar and the Riu Palace Costa Mujeres.
Okay, so here's some of the rules. No animals, except for a guide dog. You're not allowed to have any alcohol, or consuming alcoholic drinks is forbidden. An entry prohibited with food and drink.
It says no lifeguard on duty, but they do watch people going in and out.
Yeah.
So yeah, there may be no official lifeguard, but there's like 5 or 6 people around that work here that they'd be there for you, but you need to watch your own kids if you have kids.
I like this area too,
Yeah.
but they said we're not allowed to go into that area unless you actually have a kid. That makes sense, and it's kind of cool too.
Kids could spend almost all day in there probably if you let them.
Oh my gosh, yeah, you'd probably have to limit the time.